Magandang araw! So today we are going to Sweet Paris Crêperie and Cafe. I don't know how you pronounce it though. Is it Crêperie? But anyway, here we are with my sister-in-laws. So ito yung mga prices nila dito. Very affordable and we have a lot of choices. So ito yung mga sister-in-laws ko. They are very supportive sa akin. Sana all. So ito yung order namin. We ordered crepe with Nutella, banana, and strawberries. Pareho lang kaming ino-order kasi ayaw din nila ng sobrang tamis. And we ordered also cappuccino. Bongga yung pa-design nila sa kape, guys. Pansin nyo ba? Eiffel Tower. O, diba? Parang nasa Paris lang tayo dito. Feel na feel. Pero in fairness, maganda yung ambience nila dito. Very relaxing and very quiet, very clean. So, ako naman, nag-enjoy ako ng sobrang-sobra. Sulit yung pagpunta namin dito kasi masarap yung crepe nila. So, ayan, out of 10, 10 yung review ko sa kanila. Hindi tayo magpahuli, o, diba? May pa-review pa tayo. So, ayan, next time I will bring my kids here to let them try the crepe. Not only the crepe, they have a lot of choices. So, yun lang muna. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.